Top of the morning to you. Welcome to another episode of Dealing with People in Business. I know it seems like nighttime to y'all, but it's morning here. I'm a little late running for work. It's about 5:50 in the morning. You have to want more. When you enter a contest, let's say you get a prize of some sort, you can get rewarded a prize for your efforts. That's how life works. It rewards you for your efforts. If you strive hard enough, of course. If you keep doing the same thing, it's not getting you any results in life like you want, then how do you expect life to reward you any prizes? You can't get a prize if you're just sitting around all day watching cable or on YouTube or Facebook. How can life reward you for that, you know? You're just wasting time watching the internet. If you don't want more in life, you're going to get less out of life. You're not going to get rewarded. You're going to be in the same spot. That's what you're going to get. You're going to get less out of life because you don't want more. There's no passion behind your living or your expectations on what you want to happen out of your life. There's no passion behind that. There's no action behind that. People say all the time they dream of what they want to do, what they want to be, you know? You want to do this. You want to go here. What are you doing to make that manifest? Are you just sitting there in your favorite rocking chair, just thinking about all this that you want? Then just expect to stay there then. You're just going to stay there if you're not planning and strategizing anything. You're not trying to make anything manifest by action. Then you're going to be sitting right in that rocking chair dreaming. You got to stop dreaming and start planning things, guys. You got to get up, stop being lazy, and expect life just to throw you a reward. That'll never happen. Hey, you get what you put out into the universe. Simple as that. You get what you put out there. If you don't put nothing out, you're not going to get anything out of it. You're not planting seeds. That's how gardens are made and developed. You water the seeds, you feed it, you nourish it. You feel me? You see that garden manifest in life because you planted the seeds. It won't manifest if you don't plant the seeds. Some people want more out of life, and you're hanging around people that don't want more. And when you try to tell them the right thing to do, or the conscious thing to do with their lives and how they can grow, people can get hard-headed, man, sometimes. They don't want to hear what you got to say. They stubborn. People are set in their ways, man. They can be hard-headed. You can't really tell people things, man, because they're not on your level. You know, to your best bet. When you're dealing with people, they're just set in their ways and they don't want to change. And they're stuck in their own minds. You just have to cut these people loose, or they're going to drag you in there. They're going to have you live this repetitious cycle of no growth. You want people to go down the same path as you, especially if it's going to benefit your life. You know? If you want more and you don't want less, then you got to hang with people who want more and not less. You're battling and you're fighting for friendships with people who want less. It's not going to work. You gotta make sacrifices and cut people loose and let them do their thing. Let them hang in their box. Let them sit around all day on the internet or Facebook. Those people aren't meant for you in your best interest or to help you grow and stay on the right path. You're going to be miserable when you're with people who want less. Okay? Whether it's your spouse, whether it's your mate, your friends, somebody you know, your co-worker, people on the street, your family, you know, your uncles, your aunts, your sister, your brother, anybody. If you want more and somebody else wants less, you want to travel. But somebody's sitting on the couch, how's that going to work? You going down two different roads in life. You want to do things. You want to be productive. You want to move around, man. You want to take action. You want to plan and strategize this trip. You want to create. But the person you're with wants to sit around all day. Wants to be lazy. Wants to gossip and be negative. Wants to blow all their money. They just want to go to work and come home. These people are going to be a ball and chain around your life. You want to fly, right? You want to fly like a bird, right? How can you fly if you got something weighing you down, dragging you down? You want to fly high like that wagtail bird. You want to grow. You want to fly high like the high flyer. You want to do things. You want to move around. You want to go and fly in this world. You don't need people like that just want to hang around and not move and be a ball and chain on your side. But this is Masters at Work, and I got to get to work. And I'll see you in the next one.